Welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be redesigning this welcome page of the Life in Europe report to see if we can make it faster. So basically, take what we've learned thus far and see if we can speed up the load times of this page. So I started with this page, fired up Performance Analyzer, did my 10 refreshes, right, exported that out, and then I started designing the second page. So this welcome page here, welcome alt, is actually that original page redesigned. And what I did was I kind of did the same trick I did when I did the headline insights and got like 10 times faster performance. I basically started with I took a screenshot, all right, of this entire page and used it as the background. So everything that you see on this page is actually on the canvas background. So I'll show you that. So if you go to canvas settings, canvas background, it's the welcome page. So I just took it, all it is, made it to image fit, right? Took the transparency down to 0. The original one had a wallpaper image of this background of the Europe, right? So I took that out, got rid of that. And so that's what I started with. And then what I did was I started putting in buttons, right? These buttons here, and these buttons actually provide the interactivity, in this case, page navigation, or in this case down here, I got it to, these are web URLs, right? So same thing down here, web URL as the action. These are all basically invisible buttons that sit there. So it took the overall amount of visuals. If you count these up, there's 24 visuals here. And if you take the amount of visuals over here, it's 17. You can see it's all buttons, right? Because the canvas, it doesn't even account for like the canvas load time. It doesn't even like seem to even count within the visual render times of anything. Maybe it's the original button that gets loaded. I don't know. But so that is what we did. Now, before we get into the results here, I want to show, because because all the performance analyzer stuff that I've done, there's a link to the folder that I'm using in the description of the videos. So I want to, if I haven't gone over this before in terms of how to use it, basically what you do is you just copy one of these PA reports, because that I have all the measures defined in and everything else. I just copy and paste it and then rename it. And then what you do is you change the sample file source. So you change, this is my directory that I'm using, and then you just change the folder. So every time that I'm going to do one of these analysis, I create a folder underneath this performance analyzer folder, and that's where I store my export files for the analysis that I'm conducting. So you do that here, and then you do that over here. Again, same thing, source, and change it to the right folder, and then everything else should work. Some of this stuff is legacy. Like, I don't really use this anymore. It's used in this metadata query, but I don't use the metadata query. I don't use this raw events query. The event types, it comes from the performance analyzer query. This table, it's actually an enter data query. The events, which is the main one, also comes from the performance analyzer query, which essentially is your, basically is your source query, and your folder, coming from your folder query and all that sort of thing. So that is essentially how it all works. If you want to mess around with it on your own, you really just have to change it here, and everything else should just work. All right, so let's take a look at the results. So the results here, well, of course I can't do it there because Teams. Here we go. All right, so you can see the original welcome page. It, on average, took 126 milliseconds to load, versus the alternative welcome page took 45 seconds to load. So almost 3 times faster than the original. And so if you think about that, there's 17 visuals versus 24 visuals. You're talking about a 30% reduction in visuals leads to a 3 times faster page load. That's pretty significant. That just by getting rid of only 30% of your visuals on the page, that's 3 times faster. That's pretty incredible in my opinion. So yeah, in terms of, I just think that's again I just think it's incredible that this isn't a more explored topic within the Power BI community in terms of how to really speed up your page loads. So Anyway, that is all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.